there's gonna come days where you have small wins and you have big wins, but I feel like that will help me with my like that will better yet. Let's talk about it. Accumulation, huh? Anyways, um, the trade recap for today, right? So I took a trade. I took a good one. I had a 460 win. It it would have been more. I'm still happy with the profits. The profits are not the problem. It's more or less with the fact that my emotions are now getting to me. They weren't before, they are now, and now I have to fix them. I want to say that this happens most of the time when most of the time when you do trade. No, in the journey that you're gonna go along, you're gonna come into a certain point where you're gonna be pulled back to an area, and there's gonna be nothing else that you're gonna know what to do besides emotional trade, unless you're further down your journey and you understand that like what you're doing wrong, and you see what you're doing wrong, and you understand that like, damn, this keeps happening. Like I gotta chill out. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what happened to me this week. I told myself like I wasn't gonna overtrade. I wasn't gonna do this. I was gonna follow my strategy, follow my plan, make sure everything goes, proper risk management, won't overtrade. But then I I overtraded. And I'm not gonna lie, it kinda hurt. It kinda hurt. I don't even sit there and lie to you. It kinda hurt. How do how do I go from big figure days to two red days back to back? Then I lose my account. Then on top of me losing my account, I gotta get it back. Bro, ain't nothing more annoying than having to rebuy like reset your eval, bro. Cause then like imagine you accumulate your eval all the way to the point where it's like you're just this close. You're this close. You're this close, man. You're this close to passing. And then when you're that close to passing, but that's probably just my risk management. I got too cocky. I was feeling like I'm the man, but really and truly, I'm not. I didn't even pass the tutorial. That's what PB Trading said, but the tutorial, the test, really. And I feel like that is so on me. Let me tell you about the trade I did today, right? So, per usual, what we're normally gonna go with is a top-down analysis. We gotta start from the higher time frames, build our way down. Still the same way, right? But what I'm seeing is that we're bearish, right? But this area right here has a little bit of struggle. I don't know where the area, like why the area is struggling like that, what's going on, but hold on. Why my shit look like that? What the is that what all of them are like? Yo, bro, someone tweaking my charts, bro. Why is it all at the bottom? I don't ever do that. Anyways, we are bearish, right? I'm seeing a bunch of bears come from. I'm not gonna lie. There's a bunch of there's obvious like looking that we're going to the downside and that there's not much of a pullback. Well, I mean the energy here in this exact area is strong because look, market open candle doji, next candle doji, but we're probably gonna go up. I won't lie, because if you look at it, all this bearish move that I was trying to do, like and invert this tiny move, like this tiny not move, this tiny fair value gap, the 1 hour, it didn't even do it. But where where would that drop you? Well, currently we're still in the live stream and there's still lows, but I feel like before we go down, you gotta go up. So say for instance it takes out these and this area right here is a strong resistance zone. That I'll tell you. It came up here, tapped in. Oh, 5 minute order block. Could we see? No, yeah, well, yeah, it's a 5 minute, but it's on the 15. That's what I was looking at it. But anyways, trade we took 1 minute, right? Here's what I seen. I seen an SMT, right? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I seen an SMT, right? Obviously, you can see ES looks like Minecraft right now. I'm not gonna lie, looks like Minecraft terrain. Um, we had these highs, and ES took out these highs, but NQ didn't. So there is there's that, right? I didn't do no order block, no nothing. We just know SMT, when the SMT gets filled, that you're gonna be. Look at this. Okay, but anyways, SMT, right? When SMT is formed, price is gonna move in the opposite direction of the SMT that formed, like whether it's bearish or bullish, right? It's gonna move in the opposite direction of where the SMT was formed. That's what I'm trying to get at. So basically, what I'm trying to. Oh, okay. I keep getting unfocused. We gotta chill out. But price came down, right? Price was coming down. I wanted this low, really. I wanted to grab this low. I wanted this low. And this low was just formed this morning. But one, two, three. These are here with my draws. This is final TP right here. Then we had TP2, TP1, right? So TP1 and 2 got hit. And I like that. I like the fact that it did. Like this 1 minute was very choppy, but when SMT was formed, it was the right call to make it to the downside. And I'm excited on that I caught this because I had a bunch of red days, like the date like 2 days back to back prior, two big red days that literally had me like almost regretting wanting to do this anymore. I'm gonna lie. To have 5Gs down in like 2 days is nuts. I've never my risk management usually is better than that, but I feel like in the current situation that I'm in right now, with this whole trading and the way that the market's moving, it's not gonna be my way. I really have to actually lock in. And to any other person who's on the same journey as me, I feel like 2025 is gonna be my year for sure. SMT was formed, right? So price pulled back from it. And do I want to say that? Hold on. I want to make sure that when I'm marking out this one, so you see how deep right here? I don't think. Like, what time is that? 9:33? No, 9. Yeah, 9:33. 10:06. 9:32. 9:33. 10:06. Oh. Oh, let's be for real. Come on now. Come on now. Anyway, so essence was formed. Pull down. That was really it. That was really the whole strategy, the whole shebang of everything that gave me the right entry. The entry part though, the literal entry, like it was risky. There was nothing really telling me like, oh, immediately down, like where like it was gonna be an immediate change. I just noticed that the SMT was formed. Price time back into this. It didn't come back up. But I know that like as soon as this candle closed, I was like buy. I gotta buy on this up candle. I bought on it. Stop loss was just above this SM, like literally just above those STs, and it just took down. It was a flawless trade. It was a 4.773 RR. Only banked 460 though. Um, I went in for like two cons. Normally I would have went in for like three or like 3 to 5, but because my account got messed up, I only went in for two. And I won't lie, I don't like resetting my eval. I'm not like losing your account and then having to reset it is probably the most annoying feeling in the world. Um, price currently is on a bull run. I'm not gonna lie. If you can see that right there, that's where price bounced into. It was around 10:30. Sound about right. Taps it back in. 1 minute. happening. But then look at this. Breaks straight through, comes back down. I think once a break, like this 1 minute was now just a support, like a resist area. It was support, not enough resistance. Then a breakout. No, I like once this first breakout happened, it just all it took was one good fibber I got for it to tap back into. Now we're gonna take out these highs, alright? So remember how I was just I don't know if it was in this video or the other trials of video I was trying to get, but remember how saying accumulation, manipulation makes you think of going down. Then I got this bull run, right? And the overall trend was bearish. I caught a bearish move. It wasn't like it was basically just catching the manipulation, cause that's literally what it was. I'm not gonna lie, that's really what it was. These lows get taken out. So there's that. These SMTs, like most of the time when you read the chart, SMT, it's gonna form SMT, comes down. It's like after an SMT move, price just immediately wants to go back up. It never was respected. But there's that. This 5 minute that's holding strong, it didn't inverse that 5 minute, but by the looks of it, no, it did. No, it did. Okay, so for whatever it is during the PM session, cause I don't trade after 11:15. So basically, this yellow area, this whole thing right here, is the only time I should ever be trading, and this is the time I really want to get the moves right. So basically, you see, there's a bunch of other moves that you could have seen. For the most part, today was a green day. It was a green day, not as much as a good green day, but there's gonna come days where you have small wins and you have big wins, but I feel like that will help me with my better, like that will better yet, that will help sharpen my skills in trading. Um, what do I have planned for the rest of the week? Nothing. I had 2 big red days. I came back in today with a better mindset. I'm trying to work on getting my mind right, so there's that. Um, I think what I might have to start doing more is I might have to start streaming for the morning because I do record when I'm done with the trade just so I can like have keep myself busy. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start live trading at 9. So I gotta figure out a way to wake up at like 7 or 8, get some so get some pre-market, try and get myself awake, arise. Because today I didn't wake up and I didn't really set my routine, so I'm surprised that I had a green day. But my average routine, yeah. I was a little late because I did like as much as I didn't have that morning routine, I still had to do what I had to do, man. I woke up. Obviously, I don't want to put too much eyes on my phone, so I put my phone to the side, and then now all I was really looking for was just to get in the trade, but. So, yeah, there's that. Hope to see you guys in another one. We going today is a Thursday. We don't trade tomorrow. There's no trading tomorrow, but we're gonna come back next week with a stronger mindset for sure. With a way stronger mindset for sure. Um, note to self: don't trade E-minis unless you're ready to see like thousands of dollars gone, or you don't have a max drawdown or something. Cause boy. That shit hurt. But all right, I'm gonna see y'all. Cause I'm a jokester and I be taking shit for a joke. All right, gang go.